down, smoke rose from the back like sun.